Welcome back. This is James with Accurate Crime Reporter. This video was released by the Mount Healthy Police Department in Cincinnati, Ohio. And it has something to do with these girls that went into a family dollar store and started tossing stuff around. And it caused a disturbance. They called the police. The police came, they caught them walking down the street, and then one of the girls decides to step up and front the police. You're going to see what happens next.
Come here. I'm not going to let you in. Come here now, or I'm going to put you in handcuffs. Don't make me chase after you. I'm not in the mood. Come back here. Come back here. You're throwing stuff in the store. You're acting disorderly. Come back here, all right?
What? Mr. Pop? What?
Dude.
I didn't do nothing.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
I'm walking home.
Stop. Stop. Hey, Mary 12, I'm fighting with 3.
Hey.
Stop. Hey, get back. Get back. Stop. Relax.
Caleb.
Back up, please. Relax.
Get off of me!
Relax.
Get off of me! Get off of me! Fighting like that is not going to stop anything. Y'all get back. Stand back. Stand back, okay? Y'all stand back.
All right, fuck out, she's fighting.
Jordan. She's the one at the horn.
I know, she's biting. Watch yourself.
Okay, got her. Go ahead.
I got it. I got it, Jordan. Jordan, I got it, Jordan.
I didn't do nothing, and I ain't tell me what they arrest me for.
I got it.
I asked him what he wanted. He didn't stop calling.
Hang on, Aaron, relax.
He asked me.
Relax, just lay on it. We got it.
It's all right, we got it. We're good, we're good.
Hold on. We're good.
Back up a second. Back up.
She wants to press charges on her, too, so we're going to go ahead and do Number 11, cancel broadcast, please. You got her in custody. Did you go? She double cover. No, I didn't double lock it. Hey, stop it. Would you? Would you please? Come on, this is ridiculous.
Caleb.
Just stand her up. Come on.
Caleb. It didn't work here.
Stand her up like that. Come on, grab that for me. Hey, don't, chick. What do you think? Stop. They're going to jail big time.
Be careful, be
All right.
careful.
Officer Hamilton Meredith.
Hold on. Someone go over there.
I don't get it. I mean, really, I don't get it. This girl's only 16 years old. It's like zero respect for the law. Those cops walked up, they just asked her simple questions, and she starts acting up. Next thing you know, they got to take her to the ground and handcuff her. She's trying to bite a cop. She's kicking cops. Oh my Lord. So she wound up getting hauled in. I'm going to put a lot of information down in the description section. And as always, thanks for watching our videos. And please, subscribe, share, and like. And don't forget to hit that notification bell for future videos. We'll see you next time.